Meron ka bang pag-ibig? Here are 5 things you need to know about Pag-ibig Home Loan. First, kung ikaw ay Pag-ibig member for the past 24 months, whether you're locally employed or OFW man, pwede po kayo mag-apply ng Pag-ibig Home Loan. Second, Pag-ibig Home Loan can be used not just to buy a property but also for home renovations or even refinancing of your current loan. Third thing, you can loan up to 6 million pesos in Pag-ibig Home Loan and the interest rate is from 5% up to 7%. Fourth, loan terms are very flexible. You can pay your loan up to 30 years. Maturity of loan should not go past 70 years of age. Finally, not all sellers are open to Pag-ibig Home Loan because of the tedious process. Medyo mas mahaba po ang proseso ng Pag-ibig Home Loan compared sa commercial banks. But, syempre, depende pa rin sa pakikipag-usap niyo yan sa seller ng binibili niyong property. If you have questions, you can comment down below para mapag-usapan natin sa mga susunod na videos. And this is RV, your realtor on duty.